Hi dear students, welcome to my channel. This is new direction to my channel. In this video I am going to discuss Z mains previous years questions and solutions for physics. Okay, the first thing what we concentrate is what information given in the question and what are the formulas involved in that question and what is the concept involved in it. This all I will tell you step by step. And most important thing, how quickly you can solve the problem. That is the most important thing. Time is crucial. Within the time you have to solve the problem. That all we will discuss in this video. Keep watch forward, you will understand very clearly. Karthik, read this question.
A force acts on a 2 kg object so that its position is given as a function of time as x is equal to 3t square plus 5. What is the work done by this force in first 5 seconds?
Okay, thank you. Here position is changing with time. So the given information is position how it is changing and mass is given and time after 5 seconds. After 5 seconds it is how much work done by this force in first 5 seconds. In first 5 seconds what is the work done we have to calculate. Now you see the solution, you will understand clearly. Simple, first given information I am writing mass is 2 kg given and x position is changing with time, that is 3t square plus 5. Simple formula, you know, I told you earlier, W equal to F dot x, integration of work done is equal to integration of F dot dx. F dx you can write. Here F is nothing but force on the object, on the 2 kg mass. So F equal to ma from Newton's second law. A is acceleration, rate of change of velocity. A equal to dv by dt. V is velocity, that is rate of change of displacement. V equal to dx by dt. So x is 3t square plus 5, no? Dx by dt means d by dt of 3 into t square. So 3 into d by dt of t square, that is 2t. 3 into 2t, 6t. Plus d by dt of 5. 5 is a constant. If you differentiate a constant, it will become 0. So the velocity v equal to dx by dt equal to 6t. Now I want acceleration. A is equal to dv by dt. Here v is 6 into t. So 6 into dt by dt, that is 1. So A equal to dv by dt equal to 6. Now I am using dx also. Dx is equal to how much you will get? 60 into dt. That is nothing but dx by dt only. What I am taking, simply dx by dt is equal to 60. Dx is equal to 60 into dt. Why I am taking dx? Ultimately I want this equation, integration of f dot dx. It should be in terms of time t. Because in the given information time is given, we have to calculate the work done in first 5 seconds, means this equation should contain time only. My plan is to write the entire equation in terms of time. That is the reason I am doing this. So integration of f dot dx, you see in the down, w equal to integration of f dot dx, f equal to ma dx, m into a equal to 6 you got, no? So a is constant, so I can take out of the integration. So ma into integration of 0 to 5 seconds, because it is first 5 seconds. So lower limit is 0, upper limit is 5. So that dx is equal to how much? 60 into dt. 60 into dt. Now I brought entire equation in terms of time t. So w equal to ma into integration of 0 to integration of 60 dt, limits 0 to 5. Now 6 also constant, you take out. Integration of t dt, that is t square by 2. You see here w equal 2 into 6 into 6. Integration of t dt is t square by 2. T square by 2. Limits from 0 to 5. So upper limit substitute t square means 5 square, that is 25, minus lower limit is 0. 0 square is 0. So 36 into 25 minus 0 equal to 900 joule. So option 2 is correct. Any doubt, Ra?
No, sir.